our guest here proves that perseverance, showing up every day, and a dollop of charm, can make anything possible. From wrestling her way into our hearts in Dangal, to dancing through Kathal, and making girl next door roles not so normal, anything but normal rather. She's built a career, as was mentioned here, step by step. And with every choice she has made, she's fierce, she's funny, and she's fantabulously relatable. Thank you, Sanya, for joining us here.
Thank you so much, Saurabh.
Great.
Thanks for an amazing introduction.
You deserve that. And but before I start, you're from Parparganj, East Delhi, right?
जी.
मैं भी वहाँ पे बहुत time. I have also spent a lot of time there since I moved to Delhi. तो यार उस समय मेरा ऑफिस ना सीपी में था और गाड़ी तो थी नहीं, तो शाम को लेट हो जाती थी, बारिश हो रही है, अक्सर रिक्शा वाले को बोलो भैया पड़पड़गंज चलो, को बोलता था यार जमुना पार नहीं जाऊंगा। होता था क्या आपके साथ ऐसा?
बहुत बारी। मेरा कॉलेज गार्गी कॉलेज साउथ दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में, एंड व्हेनेवर आई यूज्ड टू टेल माय फ्रेंड्स देयर आई लिव इन पड़पड़गंज, तो बहुत बारी पूछते थे क्या, किधर से, पड़पड़गंज ये कहाँ है? तो मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल इन दिल्ली आल्सो डिडंट नो कि पड़पड़गंज कहाँ है, बट आई एम अ वेरी proud Padparganji. I make sure that everyone should know that there is a very small place in Delhi, in East Delhi, called Padparganj. और वहाँ से सिर्फ मैं ही नहीं, एक और एक्ट्रेस हैं कृति सेनन, वहाँ वो भी वहाँ से हैं। बड़े टैलेंटेड लोग उस जगह से निकले हैं, तो कुछ जगह की बात तो कुछ हो गई। So I'm a very proud Padparganji, and I'm very happy that so many people know about it, and we talk about Padparganj now.
Right, correct. No, I definitely, and for people who are uninitiated, don't know about Parparganj, it's a part in east of Delhi where probably 30 years back no one thought that people would live there, but it's one of the most place of foodies actually, I would say. Good food, good street side
Good
food.
momos.
Good momos, of course, good momos, definitely. Great. So Sanya, Garima mentioned here also that, Kathal, Sam Bahadur, Jawan projects, which have been part of the National Awards mix this year. Has it sunk in already?
It hasn't, to be honest. It still feels surreal. In fact, I was not in India when I got to know that Kathal, Jawan and Sam Bahadur has won the National Award. I shot those films together in 2023. They all got released in 2024. And 2023, in fact, I've shot 4 films back to back. I was switching from one character to the other, one film to the other, one set to the other, one city to the other. And at that time, I never thought that all this mehnat will be rewarded in such a beautiful way. So it still feels surreal, but I keep reminding myself to work with the same passion, the same sincerity that I started my career with.
So, we hear a lot of actors saying that, they do one role at a time, they get into the character, they lock themselves up. These are some things we have heard about the industry. So, you doing 4 different shoots, 4 different films at a time, I mean, that would take a lot of courage and a lot of, brain, depth and everything. How did you manage that?
First of all, these sort of films, when I get these opportunities, I can't say no to them. Like, I cannot. These stories are so big. These characters are so important. As an actor, I'm blessed that I get so many opportunities, and I am always in a pickle whether to do it or not. It's always that I have to do it. So it does take an emotional toll, but I keep a journal for each of my character.
Okay.
And if I'm shooting multiple films at a time, I make sure that I have hobbies or a scent related to that character to get me back to that character.
Scent?
Yeah, so I
Okay.
keep changing perfumes. For Jawan, I was using some other perfume. On Sam Bahadur, I was using some other. So you use senses
Okay.
to get you back into that character. Music helps a lot. So these small, small things helps me. And I do take like time off of work to rejuvenate, to live life, to do things that I'm really passionate about. Like Brie, I'm really passionate about. So my focus is completely on that these days. So I take time off, but if I'm in that चक्कर जहाँ बहुत सारी फिल्में चल रही हैं, then I use my senses to get back to where I am, if that
No,
helps.
that's a very unique thing that I've heard. So probably I have my teammate Cav sitting here. Probably when we are working on multiple projects, we'll keep different perfumes and we'll use it so that we get that.
कंफ्यूज हो गए तो
Try
अगर
to
कंफ्यूजन हो
detect.
गया कि अरे ये दूसरे वाले प्रोजेक्ट का परफ्यूम आज लगा लिया तो थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है.
Let's see. It has worked for you, so probably we can try as well. So just a follow-up question from there is that, so what's the philosophy? Let's do justice to whatever comes my way, or let's wait for good stuff to come, or probably like in 2023, 4 good stuff came to you and you started doing it.
Justice to
Justice.
whatever I'm doing, whether it's professionally or personally. I'm a very passion-driven person. I don't do anything half-heartedly. Even for my interviews, I cannot be like, आज मेरा मन नहीं है तो I'm not fully there and it's okay. No, I'm fully there. If I'm here, then I'm here. I'm present. Yeah, that's it. Like I have to fully believe in what I'm doing.
Okay, all right. So acting was not your first choice, and we have a video. I would like the team to play that video if they can, the first video. And how many of you do you know that acting was not her first choice? Okay, I see one hand there at least. Can we have the first video, please? Okay, there's.
मैंने बोल दिया. अच्छा ये तो ब्री माचा है.
नमस्कार, आज के
This
मुख्य
one, the
समाचार में
first video
अभिनेत्री
I
तान्या
asked.
मल्होत्रा ने किया ब्री माचा का विशेष लॉन्च देश भर में.
Can we have the first video? So just to let you all know that.
6 साल पहले
yeah,
मैं
this
इसी
one.
स्टूडियो में आई थी फॉर अ डांस रियलिटी शो और ऑडिशन मेरा क्लियर नहीं हुआ था एंड आई रिमेंबर 1 बजे मैं फ्री हुई एंड आई कॉल्ड माय फ्रेंड कि मेरा ऑडिशन नहीं हुआ मुझे लेने आ जा और आप धर्मेश सर आप भी थे वहाँ पे और आपने मुझे आपकी वजह से क्लियर नहीं कर पाई थी इट वाज अ डांस रियलिटी शो दैट आई वाज
अरे यार
आपको थैंक यू बोलना चाहिए इनको
या बट नाउ आई एम हियर टू प्रमोट माय फिल्म
Do you remember this episode? Do you remember this
I
episode?
remember this time vividly. It's
Yeah.
etched in my memory forever.
So dance was her first choice, and you could not make it, and you went to Bombay for audition, and then you had to come back. What's the story? And you having no story, I think you had mentioned that I did not have a sob story to say.
Yeah.
मेरे घर में तो सब chill हैं, तो that made a difference, right?
I think everyone has a sob story, but I choose not to not share it, but जब आप कुछ अपने दिल से करते हो ना तो उसमें जो challenges आते हैं they're a part of the game, so you have to play that game, you have to face those challenges. You can't be like यार ये मेरे साथ इतना बुरा हो रहा है तो मैं वैसे कभी वैसी वो I empathize with myself, but I don't sympathize with whatever is happening. इतनी मैं बह नहीं जाती emotions में. Emotional हूँ, but I know कि मेरे भी कुछ privileges हैं and मैं बढ़ा चढ़ा के कई इंडस्ट्री में लोग बनाते भी वैसी story and then they stick to it. I cannot lie. I'm happy even if there are challenges in my life. And dance was a plan B for me. Never a plan A. My plan A was to become an actor. I just thought कि this could be a nice route because I'm an outsider. और कोई मुझे देखेगा टीवी पे तो they might think that I can also be an actor. तो वो confidence पूरा था मेरे में कि बन तो मैं जाऊँगी पर ये route मैंने शायद अपने लिए कुछ और सोचा था. But of course God had some other amazing plans for me.
Definitely, and we have seen the amazing plans that he had for you. So many good movies and so many good performances, I would say. We have all loved you for your performances. And you've played, diverse roles from Babita in Dangal to Anupama in Shakuntala Devi and Sandhya in Paglet, Richa. Which one is the real Sanya? Which one did you feel really close to? Maybe you were really attached, or the emotions for all these characters were the same?
I think all the characters that I have played till date have Sanya in them. Of course, I'm the one playing it, so. But the one that is closest to my heart is Richa in Mrs. I worked really hard, and I was on Jawan's set when I was working and preparing for that
Two
role.
different roles altogether.
Two different roles altogether, but in between breaks, I used to go back to my van and prepare for the character, make Richa's backstory, do calls with my director. And yeah, and I think that whole experience was quite gratifying. And even the audience response to the film and to Richa's journey was quite satisfying and gratifying for me as an actor.
But you have confessed that you are goofy, you are, dramatic. But your roles, all that you're getting probably, as of now, at least majority of them have been very serious types. Of course, you're an actor, you can do that. But अंदर से खलता नहीं यार, ये तो मैं हूँ नहीं, ये तो मैं
बिल्कुल.
How do you manage
अभी भी
that?
ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं बहुत सीरियस बातें कर रही हूँ, पर मैं अंदर से इतनी सीरियस हूँ नहीं.
और दिल्ली से इतने पास हो आप.
हाँ, अभी आप नीचे बोल भी रहे
बोल
थे
भी रहा था मैं,
कि
yeah.
रिलैक्स रहेंगे, ये होगा. मैंने कहा सर मैं तो दिल्ली से हूँ, मेरा दिल्ली वाला कभी कभी निकल जाता है ऐसे बाहर. पर कोई बात नहीं. मैं एक्चुअली आई अट्रैक्ट सच कैरेक्टर्स, बट देयर इज अ फिल्म दैट आई डिड विद राजकुमार राव. इट विल रिलीज very soon on Netflix. It's called Toaster, I
Yeah.
think. And Raj is an amazing actor.
Right.
Very, very talented, as we all know. He has produced the film. The story is quite quirky, and I think he has really taken that goofy side out of me in that film. So, dikhega wo bhi.
Right, great. So we'll await your movie Toaster, which is coming up. So if we, now we have a second avatar also, which is an entrepreneur. So if we can play that brief video that we just played, if we can see that. So, so this is a brand which you have, and you.
नमस्कार. आज के
So
मुख्य
I'll come to
समाचार
the
में
question.
अभिनेत्री सान्या मल्होत्रा ने किया ब्री माचा का विशेष लॉन्च. देश भर में उत्साह का माहौल. गलियों में घूमते सुने गए नारे, हमारा माचा कैसा हो, ब्री माचा जैसा हो. माचा की बढ़ती लोकप्रियता के चलते ओट और आमंड मिल्क के दामों में आई बढ़त. बाजार में हल्की गतिविधियां दर्ज की गई. विवाह संभाग.
तो दो चीजें, एक तो अगर आप न्यूज रीडर बन जाओगे तो हम क्या करेंगे?
बड़ा खुशी हुई मुझे जान के. मैं आपसे पूछने ही वाली थी क्या मेरा इसमें कुछ है, अगर आप मुझे जॉब दे सकते हैं तो कुछ बताइए थोड़ा.
और दूसरा चीज ये कि यार पैसे बचा रहे हो, खुद को ही ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बना लिया है, या लगा कि अपनी स्टोरी खुद बतानी है सबको?
ये शुरुआत है, बट मतलब क्योंकि दिस इज़ माई पैशन प्रोजेक्ट. ये प्योरली प्यार से निकला है. ब्री पैदा ही हुआ है मेरे प्यार और पैशन विच आई हैव फॉर माचा से. सो शुरुआत में आई हैड टू यूज़ माई फेस, बट लेटर ऑन आई वुड लव टू गेट समवन हु लव्स माचा as much as I do to be the face of Brie. Why not?
Tell us the story of your love for matcha. Tell us what is it?
आप किसी ने भी ऑडियंस में माचा ट्राई किया है कभी?
Anyone?
तो
I
अब
see
करिएगा.
few hands.
जो मेरा ब्रांड है ब्री माचा. मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि माचा होता क्या है. माचा इज़ पाउडर्ड ग्रीन टी. जैसे हम ग्रीन टी बनाते हैं, माचा को बनाने का तरीका थोड़ा अलग होता है. यू जस्ट हैव टू ब्रू इट एंड विस्क इट. थोड़ा उसको मिक्स करना पड़ता है टू मेक माचा. बड़ा थेरेप्यूटिक सा कॉन्सेप्ट है माचा बनाने का, और माचा के बहुत सारे हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स हैं. इट हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स. और माचा में एक अमीनो एसिड है विच इज़ कॉल्ड L-theanine, विच गिव्स यू अ वेरी फोकस्ड, अ वेरी रिलैक्स्ड एनर्जी फ्लो, जो आपको कॉफ़ी या चाय से नहीं मिलता, क्योंकि L-theanine सिर्फ माचा में पाया जाता है. और ये 2 साल पहले आई वॉज अ ह्यूज कॉफ़ी ड्रिंकर. आई रियलाइज कि कॉफ़ी वॉज मेकिंग मी एंशियस एंड जिटरी. कभी चाय पी के घबराहट सी होती है, कॉफ़ी पी के घबराहट सी होती है, तो आई डिसाइडेड नॉट टू हैव कॉफ़ी और टी. बट आई वॉज रियली मिसिंग कि सुबह सुबह उठे तो एक रिचुअल होता है ना कि आप अपने लिए कुछ किचन में जाके बना रहे हो, तो आई वॉज रियली मिसिंग दैट. सो अ फ्रेंड सजेस्टेड मी matcha. And 2 साल पहले I had my first cup of matcha and I realized that it's giving me that energy, but it's not making me feel anxious at all. I did my research and I read about all the amazing health benefits that matcha has to offer. And last year I was like, I'm sourcing this matcha from outside whenever कोई घर से जा रहा है बाहर कि मेरे लिए matcha लेते आना अगर आपको कहीं से मिलेगी. To why don't I source my own matcha from Japan and build my own brand, because I love it so much. I want as many people in my life and around me to try matcha and experience the amazing health benefits it has to offer.
Okay. So, like a few minutes back when we were sitting there and you asked me that, if I can, tell you about something about entrepreneurs because I have been covering entrepreneurship for long.
Yes.
That's a very good point to start. When you face a problem and then you are solving for it, so probably there's more passion to it, I believe,
Yes.
to solving that. Having said that, you already have a acting career, and as you say that you do multiple roles at a time, and then doing business, and this requires a completely different mindset. How prepared are you to switch between these roles?
As I said earlier, that I am a very passion-driven person, whether it's me as an actor or me as an entrepreneur. क्योंकि मुझे इतना प्यार है अपने प्रोडक्ट से, it's not difficult for me to switch between these roles. I'm completely there, whether it's the creative ideas, this whole idea of making an ad like this. There are few other ads that we made because we know that a lot of people in India have not tried. Like in fact, even here,
Yeah.
there are only 3 people who have tried matcha. So right now, our brand's focus is to make as many people in India to try matcha and experience the benefit. We know that it will take time, but we also know that we have a TG that we are focusing on right now. So I think it's the passion that I have for my work. It's not difficult. When you're not passionate about something ना तो वो काम आपको भारी लगता है. जब आपका दिल है जहाँ पर ना तो it becomes very easy and flowy. And that's why I think it's not difficult for me to switch between these 2 roles.
So, is there anything common thread that you have found across the 2 roles? That's one of an actor and other of an entrepreneur. Is there a common thing that you have, or probably you might discover later, or you think about that these are 2 things which are same when I'm acting or when I'm being a businesswoman?
The one thing that is common is preparation for me. It's crucial for me whether I'm preparing for a role or anything related to my Brie Matcha. I make sure that I have my homework ready. I believe that you need a lot of preparation and you need to be prepared for anything, good or bad. Challenges आप avoid नहीं कर सकते, and you should always know how to convert those challenges into your own, good. So this is something that is common, which I use for my films and for my entrepreneurial journey.
Okay, all right. So before I ask you the next question, if you guys have any questions, please be ready with that.
Yes, I would appreciate अगर आपके पास कोई tips है मेरे लिए तो वो भी, क्योंकि इससे better जगह मुझे मिलेगी नहीं, because मैं नई हूँ इस चीज़ में, तो I would love it if you have anything for me.
Sure. I'm sure there are a lot of people to help you, advise you. But if you have questions, keep them ready. We'll pass the mic around. And please keep the questions within the realm of the discussion if you have any question. So, Sanya, next question before we with your permission, go to the audience. Everyone takes risks. Without that, obviously, so what are the biggest risk? What is the one biggest risk that you have taken probably in your acting career? And do you think getting into entrepreneurship is also a risk that you have taken?
For me, the biggest risk for me was doing Paglet in my career. Because that was very different from the mainstream idea
Right.
for an actress. एंड आई हैड जस्ट स्टार्टेड माई करियर, थिंक 4 या 5 साल ही हुए थे मुझे इंडस्ट्री में, व्हेन आई गॉट the opportunity to do Paglet. And Guneet Munga is the producer. She has gotten all of us an Oscar. तो जब वो मेरे लिए वो opportunity लाई थी, I was skeptical because people were feeding in. They were telling me that, oh, you've just started. You need to do more mainstream movies. सोलो मूवीज़ करने में थोड़ा टाइम लगता है और ऑडियंस बिल्ड करने में थोड़ा टाइम लगता है. एंड आई काइंड ऑफ बिलीव, आई वाज लाइक ओके, आई एम स्केप्टिकल, मे बी दे आर राइट एंड आई शुड फोकस ऑन मेन स्ट्रीम मूवीज रादर देन डूइंग सोलो फिल्म्स. बट दैट वाज अ मेजर रिस्क फॉर मी एट दैट टाइम. बट व्हेन आई वाज इन इट, मुझे पता था भाई मैं मेहनत कर रही हूँ और मुझे इसका फल ज़रूर मिलेगा. एंड दैट फिल्म हैज़ चेंज्ड द ट्रैजेक्टरी ऑफ माई career completely. I do solo films now. My solo film Kathal won a national award this year, and that film has given me a lot of confidence in me as an actor. I know if I'm getting an opportunity, if producers are ready to put in that money and build a movie around me, I know I can make it work. So definitely Paglet was a major risk for my career, and yeah, even Breathe. It's full of risk, but I think I thrive when there are challenges. I thrive when I know कि आज मैं घबरा रही हूँ, आज मैं थोड़ा anxious हो रही हूँ, but I know this is going to shape me and make me more resilient and empowered. Yes.
Guneet Munga की movie आप कर रहे हो, how can it be a risk? Come on, she is like there.
I know, and I think she is the one who gave me that confidence कि I am ready to put in that money, so you do not worry कि तुम ये सोलो फिल्म कर पाओगे या नहीं कर पाओगी. क्योंकि ये सारी चीज़ें कहीं ना कहीं इंडस्ट्री में बताई जाती हैं कि आप और एक्टर्स के साथ करो काम और बड़े एक्टर्स के साथ करो, आपकी ऑडियंस बिल्ड होगी. बट आई एम ग्लैड आई डिडंट लिसन टू देम एंड आई
We are also glad that you took that role. We really enjoyed that movie. So, with your wish, we just have a couple of more minutes. If there is any question in the hall, because I would have exhausted most of them. Anyone? Any question? Any tips? Okay, there are 2 hands. Probably those 2 there. And gentlemen, if you can introduce yourself and keep your questions very short, to the point.
Actually, you have got a very good platform of Economic Times, and I think you must launch this in a big way, because if anybody has to hire you as a brand ambassador, it will be a very expensive thing. Here you don't have to pay for it, but definitely you can tie up with somebody like Starbucks or somebody bigger than that, and then go all out. Because you are an actor, so it will be very easy. The moment you endorse the brand as an actor, not just as a thing, but you will definitely make it.
Yeah, I agree, sir. But also, that's a very good tip and I really appreciate that. But we also want many people to buy and make matcha at home. So our focus as a brand is that right now. But that's a very good tip and I would definitely focus on that as well.
Hi Sanya, this is Dr. Tanmay. I work for a Korean startup brand, Adme. So that has ginseng. So I'm sure you are aware about ginseng as well. It's very easily taken for proper healthcare and everything. Whereas about matcha, it's from Japan. And the knowledge about matcha, as you said, is very less in India. Do you feel that partnering with gyms and ways to promote it would be better? And quality matcha is once again a question, because we have fakes of everything. We have product coming from China. If you are aware of the real matcha, so these are 2
Sir, आपने तो अपना ही product पेश कर दिया. ये
मैंने matcha पूछा.
Yes, so we are sourcing our matcha from Kagoshima, Japan. We have 2 variants right now. One is ceremonial blend, which is the first harvest of matcha, which is more premium matcha. And we also have an everyday matcha, which is not the first harvest, but the 3rd or the 4th harvest of matcha. So I am aware कि काफ़ी लोगों को knowledge नहीं है इसके बारे में, but कई सालों पहले लोगों को green tea के बारे में भी नहीं पता था, and we all know how beneficial green tea is now. And matcha has 10x more antioxidants than green tea and many other benefits. And time लगेगा. We know that it's a very, it will take time, but we are there. And I think because matcha is trending on social media these days, people also think that it's just a trend or a fad. But the fact is, it's not a trend. It has really helped our brand, luckily, that when we were planning to launch it, it took us 1 year to build Brie. But that this whole trend around matcha has helped us. But it's not just a trend. It really, like, it's a science-backed thing that matcha is beneficial and can help you in your wellness journey.
Thank you. We won't be able to take more questions because Garima has climbed on the stage to show me that the time is over. So, thank you, Sanya, for being a part of this. Life has really come a full circle for you. You started with dance and your latest cameo with Jingucha in Thug Life. Yes, so life has come a full circle for you, and
Yes.
that means starting from that video that we saw earlier in the day, right? Thank you so much for joining us,
Thank you
ladies
so
and
much,
gentlemen. A big hand of applause for